So hi everyone, in this video we are going to cover a next topic. So that what is our next topics? So basically the next topic is that is also most asked in the interviews. Okay, so the interviewer asks that you have a given array, but that array you need to flat that array. Flat that array, that's mean array inside the array we have a lot of arrays, right? As in that our code we can see that we have array, but inside the array one array is there at the hello, and after that we have another array, right? And we have the different types of the arrays there inside one array to inside one array, right? So first is question ask what is the length of that array. So that time if you get confused, so that's is not wrong. Okay, so we can rectify the things how we can do. So for the console.length, what do you think, what will be the output of that? So basically the length of array is 3, 1, 2, and this one is a complete array, so this one value become a single one. Okay, length. Okay, so this length will be 3. Okay, so this question will ask, then you have to rectify the things. Our array length is 6. Okay, so output is 3. Okay, so we can check also it 3 or not. Okay, console.log array.length. Okay, array.length, we can check that. So as you can see here, the answer is 3. Okay, answer is 3. Oh, okay, you got my point. Now come to the pictures. That interviewer asked that you have array, inside the array we have a multiple array, inside the multiple array we have a value, but we need an output like that. Output something like that will be this. So how you can give that? Inside the we have to basically the remove array. Inside the array whatever the array have removed, and inside the one single array we need to get the values. Okay, so what will be the output? 3, 4, 5. Okay, so interviewer asked to give me output this. Okay, so how many ways is there? Okay, so let me tell the basically that we have a lot of ways is the solving that problems. Okay, solving that problem. So first I will tell you that is the using the flat. Okay, using the flat is the function that of the JavaScript that we can use. Okay, that is the flat that we call the flat method. Okay, so first what will we do? First we will do flat method. Okay, using the flat method, right? So inside the flat method what will we do? So we have two types of the things. So array equal to array dot flat. Okay, so inside the flat, if we are doing one single type of flats, and we need to check that what will be the array variable. If we simply writing that the flat method, so it's remove only the single times, it's going to execute the single times. So have you seen that the one bracket is going to the remove, and before that 3 was there, right? 3 elements, right? But we need to remove all the bracket, right? We need to give the single output, right? So how we can remove? So we need to call that infinity times of the flat method. Okay, infinity times, that means till now not means this is gone till now, till when it's going to complete array flat. Okay, so now you can see that what will be the output. So now output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so basically now you have seen that two methods. One is a simple if array dot flat we are writing. So if we have that, we can remove only one. If we are calling the infinity times, so we can remove the a lot. Okay, also we can apply the second one things. We can also resolve this problem. So this is the array method. Okay, if you want to resolve problems, so and the second way is the concat and apply. Concat and apply. Okay, we have a two method, concat and apply. Okay, through this we can also resolve our problems and we will get out. Okay, this is our the third method. Okay, and got in my part third method. How we can do? Array equal to array. First we need to give empty array, so that means we have to remove array. we have to concatenate that array dot apply. We need to apply that convention. Okay, inside that we need to again give them one empty array. We need to remove that array. Now after that we have to pass that value of array. So now you see that get output, but it should remove only the single time. So only one method is the function. So basically we can use that array.flat method. Flat method is going to, if we passing the value inside that infinity time, so it's going to remove all this. Okay, then so that is the going to work for the all the test cases. For the single or small test cases, this thing we can do. Okay, otherwise if the interviewer asks we don't want to use the inbuilt method, can you tell me how we can resolve that, how we can resolve using the algorithm or that. Okay, so for the algorithm, so how we can resolve, so for that thing, so we can resolve, right? So how can we resolve? Okay, so we can see here how we can resolve through algorithm method. So inside the algorithm method, we need to take a one empty array, so that will be store our value. Okay, so flat array, so it's going to store our values, I mean whatever the value is going to flat it. Okay, so we need to check that array dot for each. We need to apply that mapping, that for each functionality loop, and after that we have items mean inside the whatever value inside that have, and after that we need to check that if array dot is array items, means item whatever inside that we have the items, that value is array. If that value is array, let's suppose when it's going to execute this line, then its value is correct, right? So what will we do? We will do the flatted array that we have in this slide. That means we will restructuring means, so for what the purpose of that means, we are doing the destructuring method, and here sorry, not destructuring, here we are doing spread operators, right? We using the spread operators. The spread operator, what will do in array converted in the form of very singles value, like we have seen that, right? Spread operator. If you don't know, we have a cover in the one videos, I think you can watch that, will be give link on the description. Okay, otherwise what will we do? We will do flat array and dot to push what push the value of items. Okay, so when we have the array is array, then we have to destructure and then push the value, then we have to push the value inside the array. Okay, otherwise when we don't have an array, so when we have a single value inside the item, then we can push. Let's see what will be the output. Okay, so output with the console.log flat array. So what will be the output? Now it's going to execute it all the functionality and filter, and it's going to give output is wrong. So why? What is the wrong with that? So because it's not going to call again and again, right? It's going to execute only the once times, right? If we want to that things, it's going to call and again and again. Okay, so that time we have to call in the way of recursive. Okay, so I hope this functionality you get, right? This functionality you get, right? Now we come to the point how we can call the recursive way. Okay, so same way we can use, and the same thing we can use, okay, inside the recursive way. Okay, so let me show that how we can use that in the recursive way. So okay, for the using the recursive method, so we have the flatten array, the function, and then array dot fetch. If that then we have to flatten that concatenate. We need to concatenate that value inside that whatever the array have, and it's going to execute. Again, let's see the output. So we need to console that flatten, console for flatten. Okay, so we are doing console, and now you get that output, right? So I hope you get that output, means how you can execute that. We have to call then the way of the recursive, and after that we need to concatenate inside that if the array is array. Okay, so I hope you get my point, whatever we want to convey here. So I hope if you like this video, like this method, you so subscribe channels and share with your friend. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon, signing on.